Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 21 of the Wera Advent Calendar. Last time we opened the standard head bit. Now let's see what's behind number 21 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And we have the handle for all the accessories and bits. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 22. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.